Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today's topic is special series. Okay. In the last class we have seen the special series formulas, isn't it? Formulas used in solving summation problems with finite terms, that is summation. K is equal to 1 to n, k. 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus n terms, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Then summation of k is equal to 1 to n to k minus 1, that is odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. Then summation of k is equal to 1 to n k square is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Then sigma k cube 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Now we will see the example 2.56. Sum of first one 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus 19 square. So the formula is 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. Now we have to find 1 to 19, isn't it? 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus 19. Here n number of terms is equal to 19. So n 19 into 19 plus 1 into 2 into 19 plus 1. We are substituting the n value as 19 by 6. Now we can cancel 6 and 20 in the 2 table. Here 10 times, here 3 times. Okay, again 3 ones are 3. Here 39, 13 the 3s are 39. Now we multiply 19 into 10 into 13. That is equal to 2470. Okay, now the answer is 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus 19 square is equal to 2470. Okay, now second sum 5 square plus 10 square plus 15 square plus and so on plus 105 square. Here they start from 5, so we cannot use that formula. So you have to modify that. You write the formula, then you have to modify that 5 square plus 10 square plus 15 square plus and so on plus 105 square into how you can to write 5 into 1 the whole square, 5 into 2 the whole square, 5 into 3 the whole square plus and so on plus 5 into 21 the whole square. Okay. Now in all the terms we have 5. That is 5 square, 2 square, 1 square, 5 square, 2 square. So you have to take 1 5 square outside. In all the terms we have are 1 5. So you are taking 5 square outside. Now remaining is 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus 21 square. Okay. Now 5 square is 25. Here 1 to 21 terms, isn't it? So the nth term is 21. Sorry, number of terms is 21. So 21 into 21 plus 1 into 2 into 21 plus 1 divided by 6. Now 25 into 21 into 21 2s are 42. 42 plus 1 43. 43 divided by 6. You can cancel this by 3 table. Okay, 21 and 6. We can cancel by 3 table. Otherwise 2 table can cancel and bring this as 7 into 11 into 43. Here 125. So we have to multiply all these. Then the answer will come as 82,775. Okay, now the answer is 5 square plus 10 square plus 15 square plus and so on plus 105 square is equal to 82,775. In this you are going to see the third sum. 15 square plus 16 square plus 17 square plus and so on plus 28 square. So we have to split this. How to split? Here we have from 15, but the formula is for the natural number starts from 1. Okay, so we have to split this as, at first we have to write the formula, then 15 square plus 16 square plus 17 square plus and so on plus 28 square. From 1 to 28 you have to write. In that we don't want that. From 1 to 14 we don't want. So you are subtracting 1 to 14. So now 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus 28 square minus 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus 14 square. Okay. From this, from 1 to 28 we are calculating. Then we don't want that 1 to 14. So you are subtracting 1 to 14. From 15 to 28 we need. So you are subtracting 1 to 14. Okay. Then here the number of terms is 28. Here the number of terms is 14. So 28 into 28 plus 1 and 28 into 2 plus 1. Here minus 14 into 14 plus 1 into 19 into 2 plus 1. Okay. Now you multiply. 28, 29, then 28 2s are 56 plus 1 57. Okay. Then next 14, then 14 plus 1 15, 14 2s are 28 plus 1 29 divided by 6. Now you have to cancel all this. By 2 table I have cancelled, then 3 times, that is 14. Okay. Now you can cancel by 57 by 3 table. And 1 times 27, that is 9 3s are 27, 9 times. Then 14 into 29 into 19. Here 6 table, sorry 6 and 2 table, 14, 7 times, here 3 times. Then 3 table, 15, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now you cancel. And remaining is 7 into 5, 35 into 29. Okay. Now you multiply 7 7 1 4. If you multiply this, the 7 7 1 4 will come. Minus 35 into 29 is 1015. So now both you have to subtract. Then the value of the sum of 15 square plus 16 square plus 17 square plus and so on plus 28 square is equal to 6699. Okay. Then you shall see the example 2.57. Then find the sum of, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus 16 cube. Solution. Here the cube means the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So here 1 to 16 they are given. You can use this formula. The number of terms is 16. So 16 into 16 plus 1 by 2. So 16 into 17 by 2. Can cancel by 2 on means 8. 8 17s are 136 the whole square you have. You have to multiply 136 2 times. Isn't it? Then after multiplying the answer is 18,496. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus 16 cube is equal to 18,496. Then the second sum, 9 cube plus 10 cube plus and so on plus 21 cube. Here also we have 1 to n cube only the formula. Here they are given from 9 to 21 cube. So first you have to find 1 to 21, the sum of 1 cube to 21 cube minus, we don't want up to 8 cube we don't want. So 1 to 8 minus 1 to 8. Okay. Then you change this to 9 cube plus 10 cube plus and so on plus 21 cube is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus 21 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus 8 cube. Now here the number of terms is 21. Here the number of terms is 8. So you are substituting in the formula. 21 into 21 plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. Here also square. To write square. Now 21 into 22 by 2. You can cancel and 11 will come. Here 8 into 9 by 2. Then 4. Then 21 into 11 the whole square minus 4 into 9 the whole square. Then 21 into 11 is 231 the whole square. Minus 9 fours are 36. 36 the whole square. Then square after squaring the answer is 231 into 231. That is 53,361. And 36 into 36, 1296, 1296. So now you subtract both, then it will be 52,065. 9 cube plus 10 cube plus and so on plus the sum of 9 cube plus 10 cube plus and so on plus 21 cube is equal to 52,065. And you shall see the example 2.58. Now 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus n is equal to 666. Then find the value of n. They didn't give the last term here. So we have the formula 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. We know the formula. The value is 666. How many terms? If we add how many terms, the 666 will come, we have to say. So you have to find the number of terms, n. Okay. Then n into n plus 1 is equal to 666 into 2. Okay. Now n into n square plus 1 n. N into 1 n equal to, you have to bring this 2 denominator, you have 2, no, you have to bring this here, this side means it will become as multiplication. Then 1332. Okay. Now n square plus n minus 1332 is equal to 0. This is in the form of equation. Now using this equation you have to find the value of n. So use T method. Now if you add, 1 will come, then you multiply minus 1332. Okay, that is 37 into 36. Here plus 1. So here the multiplication symbol is for 36. So n plus 37 into n minus 36 is equal to 0. Now the n value is minus 37 and here the n value is 36 plus 36. So the natural number, n is a natural number. So positive natural number. So we are writing this n is equal to 36. Minus 37 is not applicable. So the answer n is equal to 36. Now sum of 36 numbers is equal to 666. Okay, 1 to 36. If you add 1 to 36, the answer will come as 666. Now exercise 2.9. How many terms of the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on should be taken to get the sum of 14400? Okay. How many? Here also they asked the n terms. You don't know the nth term, isn't it? So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. Now they are given that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to, we can write this as 144 as 12, isn't it? So 120 square. Okay. We can write 14400 as 120 the whole square. Okay. Now here the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. The squares, both the side the square gets cancelled. Now n square plus n is equal to 120. You have to bring this 2 this side means into 2. Now here also the equation, we have formed an equation n square plus n minus 240 is equal to 0. N minus 15, T method. If you multiply minus 240, add means plus 1. So that is 15 into 16 sir. Here plus 1, so you are giving the negative sign to 15, smaller number. So n minus 15 into n plus 16. Here also n is equal to 15 and n is equal to minus 16. Here also it is not applicable because n is a natural number, cannot be negative. So n is equal to 5 is the answer. The number of terms to be taken is 15. Okay. The next fifth sum. The sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers is 285, while the sum of their cubes is 2025. Then find n. Here they are given what they are given. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. So 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to 285. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers is 285. Okay. While the sum of their cubes is 2025. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to 2025. Okay. Now here we know the formula for squares, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, that is equal to 285. Take as first equation. Then here for this the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 2025. Now you have to bring this square this side, means this will come as root. So you find 20, 25, then 5 table 405, then 5 table 81, 3 table 27, then 3 table 9, then 3 table 3. Now you take 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. For 2 5s you are taking 1 5, then for 2 3s you are taking 1 3, then another 2 3 you are taking 1 3. So 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 45. Take this as second equation. Okay. We can write equation 1 as n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1 by 3. Okay. We can split this into 2. Okay. n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1 by 3. Okay. Here you have 6 no. So I am writing this as here now you have to substitute the second equation, n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to what you have find there. N into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 45. Isn't it? For that you are substituting 45. Okay. Instead of this you are substituting 45. Okay. Now 2n plus 1 by 3. Can cancel 45 and 15. Then it will come as 2n plus 1. You bring this 15 this side. Then you cancel or divide. Cancel, if you can cancel means you cancel, otherwise you divide. 1 times 15 and remain 135, then 9 times 135. So 19. So 2n plus 1 is equal to 19. Now you bring this 1 this side, 19 minus 1. Then 2n is equal to 18. n is equal to 9. Okay, n is equal to 9. Thank you. Have a nice day.